Crypto's on sale. Crypto's on sale. China has so-called banned crypto. Elon Musk has made some bad tweets and bad remarks about Bitcoin, and the market is absolutely bloody today, man. Let's go and get into today's video. Let's go.
Strings give me goosebumps. I'm not numb.
What's going on, Sauce 1K Boss family, man? So look, man, crypto market is absolutely bloody today. It's going absolutely crazy, right, man? Let's actually go ahead and search some things up. Remember, I talked to you guys about China's so-called banning crypto. It's not necessarily the case, but once news goes out and a lot of people actually finds out about it, that's how you can know what exactly is going on, right? You see, China bans financial payments institutions for cryptocurrency. China all but bans cryptocurrency. Banks told not to transact web, right? So as you can see here, China is not for crypto at all. It's not for crypto at all. China does not want to get on the cryptocurrency wave. I don't know why, guys. I don't know what's going on with that. Elon Musk made some bad remarks and bad tweets about Bitcoin earlier, and a couple other people were going after me. Even one person put their whole life savings into some type of coins. Please do not do that. Things you should not do. You should not buy at an all-time high. You definitely shouldn't do that. You should wait for some type of pullback and take advantage of a good opportunity to buy, right? Things you should not do. Whenever a cryptocurrency is hitting the news or is being talked about a lot, that is not a good time to buy. That means something is about to happen and a correction is going to happen. Why? Because when greed happens and everybody wants to buy, the bigger investors look to sell, right? Kind of like pump and dump action. So they kind of manipulate the market a little bit. They buy large shares at low prices. They sell at the highest price. They wait for you to get in, right? After it's being talked about, after the coin is being hyped up. We've seen it with Dogecoin all the time, right? Elon Musk has done it with Doge. And even it happened to Shiba Inu with the creator of Ethereum. He pumped up Shiba Inu. So you have to do your research, man, on this. YouTube is a good platform to do it, but you have to educate yourself. Sift through the people that you watch on YouTube and get the right education. A lot of stuff is not going to be free. So you may have to pay for some education, but if it's going to help you to be able to know when to take your profits out and what to do in situations like this when it comes to these bloody markets, because as we've seen, Ethereum, which was at 4,000, going to $5,000 did a complete drop off, negative $2,000, right? Where 21% down and drawdown, 34% down in the past week. Bitcoin has dropped from 60,000 areas down to 54, 56,000 areas, and now is at floating 39,000, right? Things that you should not do. Do not put all of your eggs in one basket. Do not put all of your money in one coin. Cardano's not that big of a drop down, 19%. Doge absolutely dropped off the face of the earth. It did it a couple weeks ago, so that's nothing new, right? XRP dropped. It was at around 170, 160 areas. And just a couple other coins drop, right? So what are you to do in these times, right? Even VeChain, well, it's going back up. It was at 9 cents pretty much earlier, and a couple other things. You should take advantage of this opportunity. Rookie investors are selling their coins right now. And by them selling their coins, these big investors are going to come in and buy large shares of these financial institutions. I've seen a post earlier on Instagram earlier today that one of the bigger financial institutions, he invested $2 billion into Bitcoin as of right now, since Bitcoin has been dropping off. He bought a $250,000 at around 54, 53 areas, and he bought another couple hundreds of millions of dollars worth of shares of Bitcoin around the 39,000 prices, right? So whenever cryptocurrency is dropping off like this, you should take advantage of opportunities like this. Now, one thing I would say when looking at this, right, one coin I would definitely back, and I'm gonna give y'all something free, a free pick. Some people actually know about it, some people don't, but it's gonna be a good coin for the long term. Let me see if I can actually find it, because I was just looking at it, which is gonna be right here, Cardano. Right, Cardano is obviously the top 10 coins. It's been the top 10 coins for the past couple months. A lot of good things are coming around it, surrounding around it. So definitely stay with Cardano, right? I would definitely take advantage. If you haven't gotten Cardano, buy Cardano. If you're one of the people that got into these coins at higher prices after news and a lot of hype came around it, it's completely fine. Just don't sell your position. Wait until you get back in profit And once you have some funds to buy some more crypto, wait for another correction to happen and get in at a better price. That's really all I can say for that, right? Do not put all of your money into one basket, guys. So let's even Elon Musk, right? Let's see what's going on with the Elon Musk space right now, man. There's a lot of crazy things happening going on, right? So he made a couple tweets earlier about Bitcoin, and that is kind of what kind of happened, right? He just a couple things that he was saying. Let's see, show this thread. Let's see what happened. Credit to our master of coin, right? So he may be adopting a new coin to pump and dump pretty soon, right? I'm trying to find the exact tweet to where he was talking about Bitcoin. Let me see. It might be this one, right? Yeah. So on this post, he was kind of poking at Bitcoin. He made some jokes. Bitcoin, we hear Tesla decided to distribute special relief funds during these hard times. We're giving away Bitcoin, Ethereum. Yeah, kind of poking around at some people when it comes to Bitcoin, right? This is why you should definitely educate yourself, guys. That's why it's nothing bad when I kind of like talk about certain things when it comes to education and different things like that. Like, definitely do not overlook education. Education is very, 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 very important. Right. So now let me show you guys how I know to invest in crypto and what I would do in a time like this, right? Kind of with our platform with Iron Master Academy, what I've been with for the past year and a half. I kind of log in. There's some negative connotations, some good connotations. A lot of people don't actually tap into the digital currency part of it, which we do have a lot of people winning with that platform, which I'll kind of show you guys just a little bit today on the back end, as you can see it. I briefly talked about it a little bit. All right, let me log in and see what's going on the back end. So let's wait for this thing to load. Okay, let's go ahead and log in, show you guys the back end of it. Right now, when we go here, we are going to go to the Go Live. We also have like I showed you guys in a previous video of our own app, which is called Swipe Coin. We get updates. Right now we're getting updates of what to do with crypto. We know how to, whenever the market is doing something like this, a sell-off, we know how to take our profits out of a particular crypto and put it in some coins that are going to be good to hold our coins in, that will keep our profits, right? That will hold on to our profits until the market decides to correct itself, right? In this particular time that's doing. So now let's go to DCX Academy, right? One of the individuals that I like to watch a lot and I learn a lot from, who goes live, this is Monday, right? Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, right? Mr. Curtis Cobain, one of the top educators here. There's tons of wonderful educators in the DCX space and inside the IAM platform, right? He teaches us so many things, right? So he's actually going to be going live later on today, right? I'm definitely going to be on that session, right? So he literally tells us exactly what to do in certain times like this. He's going to talk about it later on tonight. Cardano, you see, remember I told you guys, Cardano is something that you definitely want to get into. It's a good long-term coin. So let me actually look about that, right? But basically educates us on so many different things, ways to protect our assets, protect our money, what coins to put it in when the market corrects itself, and how to take our coins off the exchanges and protect our money for long-term when our portfolios are hitting 6+, 7+ figures, right? And how to secure our profits, right? One thing you should never do too, another free nugget, which I kind of posted on my Instagram earlier. If some of you guys follow me on Instagram, not sell your profits and transfer into your bank account. If you're going to sell your profits, exchange it into another, I would say another cryptocurrency, right? Like a bigger one, a main cap coin. Right now, Bitcoin is on a sell. So what you should do, if you have some profits from some of these, they like to call them SHIT coins. I don't necessarily want to cuss, right? From these smaller coins like Shiba Inu, Doge, Kishu Inu, Senshi Inu. SafeMoon is another one, but SafeMoon is getting backed up by a lot of people. I like that one. What is another one? I would say another one. No, Polygon is good. Polygon is not a shit coin. What's another shit coin? I don't know. It's just so many of them, but I named a few. right? So let's actually learn about Cardano, who's back behind it, right? Let's do Cardano ADA. Let's go ahead and look it up. Who are some people that are backing Cardano? So Cardano ADA is a digital currency, and a user located anywhere in the world can use it as a secure exchange of value. Now let us actually find out about that, right? Let us find out about that. Let's see who is backing Cardano. All right, so as we can see, we have Dubai who's backing Cardano and a couple of other people. Let's go ahead and look at this one article right here, right, on this particular exchange. So it says Dubai crypto funds backing helps ADA unsettle Binance coin as the third largest coin, right? So there's a lot of big investors that are showing up for Cardano, right? And just the network and the blockchain that is on, there's a lot of good things, and there's a lot of big people, a lot of big investors going up, and a lot of good things that it can be used for. Right now that we are on CoinMarketCap, let's actually search up Cardano and get some more information on that. Right. Reason why I'm looking at Cardano a lot. This is one of the coins I'm looking at for long term, and I want to give it to you guys as some free value. Right. So I do a lot of my research on either CoinMarketCap or through the Go Lives or even on CoinGecko.com just to give you guys some free value. Right. It kind of lets us know what is going on with this particular coin. Right. What it is at now and what it was previously at. Let's actually look at Cardano on, let's do 3 months, right? 3 months ago, this is what Cardano was looking at. 3 months to 1 year. Cardano has had a massive jump, right? So a year ago, around, I would say around the holidays times, right? Cardano was at 15 cents. Cardano today is at $1.60, right? Currently dropping 162, right? So as you see, right, let's go to the 1 month and see kind of what it does. I can look at it on TradingView too. So it kind of does certain waves and it pulls back. Let me actually pull it up on TradingView to see what we can do. Let me actually put it up on mine too and give you guys a better analysis or on Cardano, right? While we're even talking about the market crashing. The market crashing right now is a good thing, right? Rookie sellers are losing profits because they invested at the wrong particular time off of hype and news. Actual people that know how to invest are buying and taking advantage of the opportunity, and you just holding, man, just holding. You know what I'm saying? A lot of good things happens when people do not pay attention to cryptos. Like when crypto is in the major news, like it is today, and like it always has been, correction always happens. Now, one thing that I actually found from a fellow YouTuber, I was watching his channel a little bit earlier, right, is I was looking at the fear and greed index, right? The fear and greed index. Now, this is another reason that kind of plays into it of why the market completely fell off, right? And it lets us know what happened over the course. So right now, of course, it's in extreme fear. Everybody's going crazy, act like they don't know what to do. Over the past 7 days, it was pretty quiet, right? Not bad. The past month, right? We see the fear and greed index. It's kind of going up and down, right? A lot of crazy things are happening. So this is what usually happens when it's very extreme fear, right? As an investor, we know that a lot of things can worry people. So this is why I say it's the best buying opportunity. You just have to know what exact coins to buy into. And I gave you guys a free coin that we're about to do further analysis on. But when investors get too greedy, that's what we can see when the market decides to go into correction. So it lets us know here for the past month, a lot of people have been greedy when it comes to cryptocurrency. A lot of these coins, Shiba Inu, Sanshi, and Yukishu, have been getting a lot of attention, right? Which has had led to what's going on now. So everybody's in extreme fear, and the market is correcting. A lot of these big investors are pumping and dumping certain coins, and they're getting their profits, right? They're selling their profits. Now let's look up Cardano on TradingView. I'm gonna give you guys a pretty good analysis with the strategy that I use. I've talked about it pretty frequently on my channel. Let's wait for this to load and let's look for Cardano slash aka ADA. Do Cardano slash USD. Right, it's the best one. We can do USD tether. All right, Cardano is on the Binance platform. Pretty good. All right. See, wow, Cardano even threw what I was looking for, right? Would have took a sell right there. It wouldn't have been bad. Cardano is selling off, my friend. This is on a lower time frame. So let's go to a bigger time frame. Let's see what has gone happen over the past couple of hours. All right, so Cardano previously earlier today. Today's the 19th. So let's look here around. Well, as of yesterday, around anywhere between, okay, so this here around 10ish p.m., right around last night, the market just started absolutely selling off, right? Being that a lot of greed, a lot of news came out, of course, with China not accepting crypto, right? It's not getting on the wave of crypto. So a lot of things right there that's going on with that, right? Another freaking opportunity right there. Now let me see on the 4 hour what exactly is going on. So as we can see, Cardano has been bullish for a very, very long time, right? And this kind of happens, right, every now and then with the market. The market is going to correct itself. It's just today it's done it in a major way, right? It's done it in a major way, right? Let me even take my thing off so I won't confuse you guys, right? So Cardano, originally, we can even go on a daily to get a better look on a daily. All right, Cardano originally, like we said, around this time last year was at like 15 cents. It completely shot up, right? So after every major move, right, I would say maybe every couple of months, we're in December, January, pulled back some, not major, right? Pulled back again, boom, had a big move, right? After about 2 months, after that December, pulled back even more, and it just consistently kept going up. So let's see something here. I know a lot of people like to do SRTs, right? Support, resistance. There's something in common here, right? As you can see, this is a support level for all my people that do SRTs. I have a different strategy that I use, but we can look at it right here, right? It's not bad, right? The market potentially may come down a little bit more, but as we've seen right here, it respects this level, right? This price level at 95 cents, right? A good support level that respects it at 95 cents, right? It's currently dropping, currently taking. It's been taking for the past couple of days, right? Probably like the past week or so, but it's not bad. We're in a bullish uptrend. So what you can do now, you can take advantage of definitely buy opportunities. I wouldn't say buy it exactly right now, but let me actually see. Let me say exactly buy it exactly right now. You can wait until it bottoms out. Like right here, you see even that support and resistance line that I drew up on that particular time frame, right, on the daily, and now we're on the 15-minute, it still has respected that line, right? It still has respected that line. When it dropped all the way down to $1, right? Dropped all the way down to $1, and now it's floating back up in profit, right? So you could have potentially took advantage of a move right there, right? And even you guys, if you feel free, you want to mark it up, you can, right? You can even look at it, and when it does come back down to this level, if it rejects like it did again here, you can take advantage of it, right? It's pretty good, right? So it looks like it's going to come back down to that level, and I'll even put my strategy back on just to look. Yeah, of course, it's going to come back down to that level. It's going to be selling off for just a little while, probably for the next week or so, and then we'll see some reversals coming in there soon. What happens with crypto, and a lot of people don't actually know about, with the cryptocurrency, the space, anytime that a coin is having a lot of hype, a lot of attention around it, of course, it's going to sell off. But this particular project hasn't been experiencing anything that have to do with pumping up, or not any big name investors that have been in the media have been announced in this coin. But we know a lot of silent investors are here. And they're buying a lot of this coin. Plus, it's very cheap. It's $1.50, right? So if you invest enough money and you hold this coin, it's going to be a very big major cap coin in the future, right? And yeah, that's really pretty much it. Just nothing but sell opportunities now. Or if you guys trade regular forex, of course you can take advantage of some opportunities. Not bad, actually pretty good, right? I might take advantage of some if I can see if it's on my exchange. But and it's even respecting it on Yep, respected on the 4 hour as well, around earlier this morning. So you can kind of wait for it to bottom out. You can see if on the 4 hour time frame, just to give you guys something, a quick nugget. If this makes a W, right, which I believe it will, if this right here makes a W, right, this, I would take advantage of buying, right? After the W is formed, I would take advantage of buying, right? If it does that. But if it does not, you can wait until it hit another support level, right? SRTs, or you can buy now and just hold for dear life. You have so many opportunities to buy right now. I highly suggest is looking for buy opportunities probably within the closer towards the end of the day, right? Because we're in a 4 hour time frame. It's going to take the market probably about the next 12 to 16 hours to actually start making some progress to see if it's going to continue selling off or if it's going to reverse towards the upside and slowly continue to go up, right? We can even look at past history and look to the left. Let's see if we had anything similar to this, right? Probably not at these highs because this coin has only been here for a little bit, right? But let's look at past history like this, right? Reason why this is so important. We see that it respected this level right here that it's at now on the previous time frame. It hit this level, came down, and eventually took about a week or two. It came back up. It did the same exact move. So guess what you would have did after it did the same exact move? You would have took advantage of some buy opportunities, right? And each time it made a W off of this particular line, this particular EMA. So I'm definitely looking at it. I'm going to look to buy Cardano when it makes a W. So when Cardano makes a W, definitely look to take some buy opportunities. All right. Cardano makes a W in a 4 hour time frame. Look to get some buy opportunities, man. That's pretty much everything for today's video. Crypto market is on sale, on discount, right? A better chance for you to get in at some better opportunities, man. That's really everything I got to say. I appreciate you guys for tuning in and supporting Sauce 1K Boss family. Hopefully I gave y'all some value, man, but we out.
Blue screens give me goosebumps. I'm not knowing what